Hey to everyone at Mountain Peak Roofing. My name is Viola Barnett. And Jesse, thanks for taking the time out to talk to me yesterday. I really appreciate it. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. And I want you to know that I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Viola, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and I can add value to your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you for you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. Now, on your home page, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 450. These guys over here are your competitors. Total Pro Roofing, these guys, if you take a look at their homepage, they have approximately 1,100 words of content on their page, but that's very beatable. Now, every month, people are looking for specific keywords. Now, this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and I pay about $70 a month so that it could show me what your site is actually ranking for and what keywords are dense on your site. So if we go over here, I have it open here as well. This is your site. So you guys have 42 organic keywords and you're currently seeing 2 clients or getting 2 clicks per month on Google. That's not enough. That's not going to cut it. We want to get it upwards. Now let's look at the competition again. Total Pro Roofing. These guys over here have 994 keywords. And if we just click on the keywords, you can see, you could go right in here and see exactly what it is that your competition is using. So that way you can just grab some of these and add it to yours. So wait, to go back here to keywords, people are searching for Certainteed weather wood 450 times per month. And you guys are only seeing 2 clicks out of that 450 volume. So we definitely want to get you ranked up and get you up to the first page. Now, speaking of Google, if we click here, see, I just put in here roofing in Grayson, Georgia. Let's back this up. Bam. Okay, so the first thing you see are ads. Now, ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if ads aren't effective. So we ignore the ads. Now, the next thing you see here are what we like to call the map pack or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business name, address, and phone number, or the NAPs. So I'm sure now you're asking, hey, how do I get ranked in maps? Because honestly, when people click on something, they usually don't go past the first page. So to answer your question, we go over here to another resource I use called WhiteSpark. And it costs about 30 to 70 bucks a month based on your plans. But we can see that your site has about, right here, 19 citations. And the competition has 53 citations. You see, so we could just go in here and see exactly where they're getting their citations from. And we can go ahead and use that from the competition. And once again, it's very beatable. You know, these this is an area that we can conquer with no problem. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, City Star. I mean, Facebook even has an area where you can submit a citation. And as we can see, the competition citations, they have a bit more. So again, they're very beatable. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. Backlinks are basically, it's the thing that gives your site authority, and we like to call it link juice. And this is where you want to get a lot more power from, because it's basically site A pointing to site B, and site B is acting like the link juice. So it's basically, in Google eyes, it's kind of like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have, let's look at your backlinks here. If you have, let's find a good one. Looks like all of your backlinks are coming from the same place. New Star Local List local business directory. So this is one business directory that's linking back at you guys 91 times. Now, if Pizza Hut was on here, obviously that's not going to be effective. However, it would be more effective if there were more of a variety of business directories linking back at you. Because if we take a look at your competition over here and we see the amount of backlinks that they have is 417. Again, very beatable. Okay, we just have to get you guys juiced up with some more citations, approximately 200 to 300 of these in order to beat out the competition by a landslide. So now, we went over content. Your front page needs to have at least 1,500 words in order to be optimized. We went over citations. You want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And we went over link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be on the first page across Google. Now, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some of the time, you could give me a call at 404-345-2771. Once again, my name is Viola, and my number is 404-345-2771. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.